Are you looking for a quick and easy way to clean out your inbox? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to delete messages on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Messages app and then tap and select the conversation that you want to delete messages from. After that, tap and hold the message that you want to delete, and then tap More. And now you have the ability to select messages. Just tap on the empty circle next to each message that you want to delete. Once you've selected all the messages that you want to delete, simply tap the trash can icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then tap Delete Messages. One thing to keep in mind is that this will only delete these messages from your device, not from the device of the person that you sent them to. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.